A rookie goalkeeper stood frozen as the opposing striker lined up a decisive shot, when a dramatic sneeze from the bench shattered the tension and somehow redirected the ball into a grateful corner. The crowd roared and the keeper saluted fate, proving even small mishaps can spark big moments. Teammates flooded the pitch with exaggerated celebrations, while the goalie shrugged and claimed it was destiny and a powerful gust from the stands. The moment shifted momentum, and the underdog myth grew into a humorous legend within the club. Fans were left debating whether fate or pure chaos saved the day, while the keeper winked at the camera.